Children, I hope till here it is all clear to you. If not, do let me know. Hence, the foreign people in the Ottoman Empire thought of their struggle as an attempt to win back their independence. Now, as the Slav people were struggling to gain independence, the Balkan region became an area of intense conflict. The Balkan states were fighting not only for their independence, but they also tried to increase their territories at the expense of the others. Now, the situation further deteriorated because the Balkans became a scene of intense rivalry between the big European powers. The Ottoman Empire was described as the sick man of Europe. Now, because it was increasingly falling under the financial control of the European, and she had lost territories in a series of disastrous wars. The European countries were waiting for the end of the Ottoman Empire so that they may take part of her territories. Now, during this period, the European countries were engaged in expanding their trade and colonies and occupying the territories of strategic importance as well as naval and military might. Now, the countries like Russia, Germany, England, and Austria-Hungary wanted to expand their territories and check the powers of the other over the Balkans. Now, because of all this, it led to a series of wars in the regions, and finally, the First World War broke out. This is why I told you that this Balkan regions is quite important. Now, as you can see in the flow chart, I have made it for your reference. Balkans became the source of nationalist tension in Europe after 1871. It was a region of geographical and ethnic variations, as I told you earlier. It was inhabited by Slavs and was under the control of Ottoman Empire. Just now in the previous lecture I have told you about this. The ideas of nationalism swept over entire Balkan region.